I'm Kristen from Growing Global Citizens, and this video is going to show you the 10 best things to do in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Get ready to live la vida boricua. Start off in Old San Juan, walking the streets and admiring the colorful colonial buildings. There's a bit of a hill, but the old town is small enough that walking is the best way to get around. First up is Castillo San Felipe del Moro, which dates way back to 1539. This iconic fort is thought to have been the strongest and most impregnable that the Spanish built in the Americas.
The Spanish decided to build their fort here because it's got a very deep harbor for big ships. You can feel the breeze, and it was one of the first places that they would stop after their long journey from Europe.
It was attacked first by Sir Francis Drake and the English, and later by the Dutch, and then the Americans in the Spanish-American War. A defeat here is how Puerto Rico ended up becoming part of the US. It's now a National Historic Site, and the entrance fee is $10. Get a great view of the fort by walking along the coast to the San Juan Gate.
The red walls here are the Gate of San Juan. This was mostly a symbolic entrance, but it was where Spanish dignitaries would come in and then they would go up to the cathedral around the corner to thank God for having a safe journey from Spain to Puerto Rico.
Did you know San Juan is home to the Pina Colada? There are actually two different places that claim to have invented this drink around the same time. So, what's a tourist to do? Obviously, you'll need to make a stop and taste test them to see which one is better. A fun stop for the little ones is the Parque de las Palomas, or Pigeon Park. Puerto Rico is hot and humid, so it's important to stay cool. Try a special popsicle, the limber.
Over here we have limbers. Do you guys know what a limber is? No? Okay, real quick. So the story goes that Charles Limber, the pilot, 1928, he was here, and he used to ask for his natural juice to be frozen. So people started calling that limber, L-I-M-B-E-R. I got the limber. So for example, I don't have much today, and I am so sorry about that, but we have a lime, which is basically like a lemonade in a frozen form, in a frozen cup. This is a mochaccino. There's a mochaccino with whipped cream out of bag. And what I have left on fruits is lime, sour, sub, and papaya smoothie. And then we have those that are not for like coffee, mochaccino, or tiramisu. And with those, we do something that we created that we call coffee frost. So I'll take this out, put it in a bigger cup, 4 ounces of espresso, and you will get iced coffee, affogato, frappuccino, all in one. That's our creation.
Another way to stay cool is to hit the beach. While Puerto Rico's best beaches are outside of the city, there are plenty of places right in San Juan that will fit the bill. Do make sure to read the signs for warnings about currents and hazards, though. Condado is a trendy neighborhood not far from Old San Juan. If you don't come here for the beaches, you should come for the nightlife. There is a little Puerto Rico Walk of Fame, a casino, and lots of restaurants. Plus, grab a sweet snack at Cookie Plug. Another place with great nightlife is the Drrio TMobile. This indoor-outdoor center has tons of restaurants, a cinema, an arcade, and it hosts lots of special events. When we were there was a special event with music and dance, which brings one recommendation for things to do in San Juan is something really unique: a night kayak. First, we suited up with glow paint and lights in the bottom of our clear kayaks. Then we set off on the smooth Condado Lagoon with a guide who told us all about San Juan. He even helped us spot some animals. I hope this video has given you some ideas of what to do in San Juan. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and don't forget to hit subscribe to check out my other travel videos.